how to check and test the buttons on your phone on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the Samsung folder. Then tap on Members. Now in the Members page, make sure you go back to the Members homepage. Then tap on the Diagnostics button. After that, tap on the phone Diagnostics. Then scroll down and tap on Buttons. And here you need to press on the volume up button to test it out. So here I will press on the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press on the side button. If all the buttons responding correctly, it should show the normal status. Here shows that volume up button is normal, volume down button is normal, and the side button is normal. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.